Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious peanut butter cookie with only 3 ingredients. In a mixing bowl, we are going to add in 1 egg. To the egg, we are going to add half a cup of sugar, and I'm also going to add 2 more tablespoons of sugar. And then we're just going to mix the egg and the sugar together until it is well combined. What I like about this recipe is that you can always adjust the amount of sugar you are using. So you can either increase the amount of sugar or decrease it. After combining the sugar and the egg, make sure you don't overmix, just mix until it is combined. So after you're done doing that, you can add your 1 cup of peanut butter. Today I'm using smooth peanut butter, but you can use the crunchy one as well. Before adding the peanut butter to the measuring cup, it's best to lightly grease it. I'm using non-stick cooking spray today, so I lightly grease it. This will make it easier for the peanut butter to come out. After filling the measuring cup with the peanut butter, we're just going to scoop it out into our mixing bowl. And now we're just going to mix it together very well until a dough is formed. After mixing, you're going to line your baking tray with some parchment paper or some waxed paper. If you do not have that, then you must just lightly grease your pan, but you don't need to grease it with a lot of oil because the peanut butter itself has oil. And now you're just going to roll the dough into balls. And now you're just going to get a fork and press it on the cookie dough so that we can make some cute patterns. So you just want to press it like that, and then we're going to press it on the other side as well. You can always choose a different design, but for me today I decided to go with this design. This is how it looks like, and now we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around about 8 to 10 minutes. The cookies are now baked, and this is how they look like. Now we're just going to wait for some minutes, around about 5 minutes, so that they can cool down, and then when they are nice and cool, we can remove them from the baking tray. And there we have it, guys. We just made our peanut butter cookies with only 3 ingredients. I'm telling you, these cookies are so delicious. Y'all need to try it out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be always notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to cook, eat, and enjoy your food. Bye! See you in the next video.